So right now what you're doing is you're looking at my computer screen because I'm going through the process. I just started my YouTube channel this evening. I'm real excited about everything. I announced it on Facebook. I went live. The video, the very first video that I did, I'm actually getting ready to upload it now. I went in there and found some free software, as I mentioned in the caption in the other video. And now I'm just going through, going to find my video, the one that I actually edited, and I labeled it first YouTube video. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm gonna go ahead and double click that, go ahead and upload it. And as you can see, I'm having a little bit of an issue with it. Doesn't want to upload. So now I'm gonna try this drag and drop feature and see if that'll work. Failed the process. You're uploading a supported file type. Supported file type. .mp4. That's what I thought. So let me double check and make sure that this is an MP4. No, it's not. Okay, no problem. So what I'm going to do, boom, pull up this. I'm going to go over here and find my cloud convert anything to anything. So I am going to take this file here. This is a lot of work. I'm copying it and I'm going to drop it into Dropbox. First YouTube video, bam, down there in Dropbox. Now I'm going to add this, go find it in Dropbox, see if I can convert it to MP4. So YouTube will accept it and stop spitting it back at me. All of this stuff here, sounds and all of that kind of stuff that I downloaded, so that when I plug up my beat machine and all of that kind of stuff, plug up machine, it'll allow me to video. Let's see, video. Need to figure out how to make this an MP4. I'm gonna get back at y'all in just a minute. So I figured out what happened when I decided to render the video after it was edited. I did not render it in MP4 format and save it to the correct folder. So it is doing so now, and you'll get to see that whole process as it's rendering, you know, however long that takes, and then I will go ahead and upload it to my YouTube channel. See, this is the behind the scenes stuff that you don't get. They wanted me to go around Robin Hood's barn and like try to download a converter to convert it from AVSP format to MP4 format, which you don't have to get into all that technical stuff. All you need to know it was a format that wasn't acceptable for YouTube. So I gotta change that to MP4. So that's what I'm doing now. Little stuff that you don't even think about that you would need to do behind the scenes in order to get this stuff done. I don't think anybody else's YouTube channel is showing you this. It's like, you know, how to actually get the stuff from point A to point B, the transitions that are involved, the hiccups that you run into, that kind of thing. You know, and even the fact that I'm pretty good at filling time while this thing is still rendering. So, you know, I do what I do. I keep my handy dandy headphones available, you know what I'm saying, just in case how you doing? Just in case I need to you know, do something different, or listen to the audio to try to ramp up the audio on the video. So there I have it. This is the it's called ACDC, and the last C is SEE, Video Studio 2, and it was a free trial. So I'm using this until I get my Photoshop and all of that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this out. Yes, and I'm gonna go back on YouTube and try again to upload a video, and this time it should be saved in my videos, edited videos. And this is the ASP version. I'm gonna go ahead and delete this because I don't need it. And this is now the MP4 version, and you can see that as it says, you know, for item type MP4 video. So I'm gonna go ahead and drag and drop that and see what happens now. And now it's uploaded, you know. So I'm gonna name it on YouTube the ground floor video. While that's uploading and processing and so on and so forth, 95% done. And there you have it. Processing is done. I'm going to add this to a new playlist. And I'm going to copy this link because I'm probably going to go back and put the link for the YouTube video on my Facebook page. But I'm gonna go ahead and publish this video. And there you have it. Bam! I officially have content. On my Facebook page, on my YouTube channel. There you have it. Let me go ahead and refresh this, and it should have uploads here now, at least one. There we go. 2-minute and 31-second video. Not bad for my first video, you know. So stay tuned, because the next one that's coming up is the unboxing for the Machine MK3.